Alright, I would like you to channel your attention over here to these three parts A, B, C. How are we going to solve and find the unknown value? Okay, take a look at part A. What is the obstructing factor? There is a root term over here. I'm not able to solve it. So in order to get rid of the root term, what do you do? Very good. Square on both sides. Please remember to square on both sides. Once you have done that, I'll get x squared plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay? The rest, I can just do my normal solving. Please take note, if you want to apply square root yourself, there must be a plus minus value. Okay? It's always very important to check when there are two answers. If I were to put in 2, positive 2, when I square it, I'll get 9. Square root of 9 is still 3. Even if I put in negative 2, I put it in, I'll still get 9 on this side. Root of 9, I'll still get 3. So both answers are acceptable. Remember, whenever you have two answers, it does not mean both answers are always acceptable. So do check your answer when necessary. Now, coming to part B. Okay? Yes, if your idea is to square on both sides, it's correct. But you do not do it at this step. I emphasize again. Alright? If you square on both sides immediately, there will still be a root term in between. Alright? So rather than doing your squaring on both sides immediately, please balance your equation such that each side of the equation has a root term as well. After that, then you apply the method of square on both sides. Okay? Once you square it, take note, this square is applied to 2, and 2 square will give us 4. Very quickly, with some quick calculation, alright? One answer, definitely it must be acceptable. I'm going to do any more checking. Last but not least, take a look at part C. Okay? Anyone's guess by now is to square on both sides. Okay? Which I'm going to start solving as well. If you are to expand this, this is what I will obtain. Okay? Simplify everything, balance everything to one side. Factorize. Which implies, with the use of zero product rule, x will give us 4 or x will give us negative 1. Please check your answer again. If I were to substitute 4 inside, most of you will reject the negative value and take 4. Look, if I were to substitute 4 inside, 4 plus 5 is square root of is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. But 1 minus 4 is negative 3 on the right hand side. On the left hand side is 3. On the right hand side is negative 3. So this answer is rejected. Check the next answer as well. Negative 1 substitute inside here. What do I get? I get square root of 4, which is 2. 1 minus negative 1, I still get positive 2. So this answer is acceptable. Okay? So please remember the use of this technique where if you need to solve but there is a square root term, square on both sides. That is very important.